Hello all, welcome back. So let's explore further. So I could click on that and say trigger manually, or I can say there's a very first step, click here, and I could choose the same of this. There's also one more thing called a start from a template. Basically, if I am having some knowledge, then I could start creating the workflow manually. Or if I would want to explore certain templates where it is built by the N8N community members, I could straight away use it and then plug in and play wherever I need to customize. But I would get a bare bone if I start using a template. But yeah, I would prefer start creating everything on my own as per my need. So let's take this and let's say trigger manually. So what's going to happen is as soon as we click on the execute workflow, it is going to start executing the workflow. And now let's see the other options that we would get. As soon as the trigger is in place, then we could see so many things got open up for us. Now let's explore the AI part. This is the most important thing and the beauty of N8N. As we can see here, there is something called the AI agent, which is basically going to help us do a lot of thinking and heavy lifting stuff. There is Anthropic, which is basically specific to the Anthropic model. There are a lot of sub actions that we can see here, which we will explore. Similarly, we will use specifically Google Gemini. The difference between using any of the AI agent, basic LLM chain, information extraction, question answer chain, and in comparison with the Anthropic or Google Gemini or Olama or OpenAI is that these are specific to particular LLM modules. So this is focused predominantly on Anthropic alone. This is only for the Google Gemini. This is only for the Olama. This is only for the OpenAI. Whereas we could use this AI agent or the basic LLM chain or the information extractor, Q&As, and then hook any of these. We need not be having specific restriction to use Anthropic or Gemini. Whereas if you want to have a specific ones like Anthropic or Gemini or OpenAI, you could use it. It's it's almost the same in the functionality, but this gives more flexibility. So likewise, if we explore more on the Anthropic, we can see you could analyze a document, upload a file, get file metadata, list the files, delete a file, analyze an image, generate a prompt, improve a prompt, templatize a prompt. So let's go back and see something on Gemini. As we can see, we have more options under Gemini. It's totally dependent on who is creating this particular action items for each of these LLMs or any of these nodes, and accordingly we will have those many actions. So analyze the audio, transcribe a recording, analyze documents. So we can see the file search actions. There are 4 different actions here for the files. Image, there are 3. Media, there is 1. Text, there is 1. And then when we scroll down further, we can see video actions. Likewise, when we go for OpenAI, we are having similar ones. Text actions, image actions, audio actions, file actions, conversation actions. So accordingly, we could choose any of these as per our requirements. Likewise, we have an option in Olama, but the advantage of Olama is that we could have certain models or LLMs downloaded onto our laptop or system, and then we could use it almost for free. Whereas the OpenAI, Gemini, Anthropic, and the others are paid models. As long as we do not have subscription, we will not be able to use them. Whereas Olama offers us a few cloud-based and some of the LLMs which could be installed on our machine like a software, and we could use them for free. The difference would be the parameter capacity of each of the models. Just like in OpenAI, we could choose between 4 and 5, and other modules like in Gemini, we are having various types of LLMs we could use for different purposes. So when we talk about LLMs, then we are having options to do certain actions on images, certain actions on audio or generation of a video, generation of a text. Likewise, we could even create or analyze codes as well. So these are some of the action items that we have under AI node. Okay, there is something called as a text classifier, which is going to help us differentiate and then classify the text. Summarization chain is going to summarize the text for us. It's a very long data, then it could summarize easily for us. Example could be a news article, example could be a lengthy PDF. Sentiment analysis is going to help us uh, clearly differentiate between the different sentiments of a particular statement. So we could segregate as simple as a positive, negative, or a neutral statement, or we could even customize it. Question answers is going to work in a way wherein we could ask certain questions and we're going to get answers from a pre-fed data. Information extractor is basically a huge chunk of data as an input, and we're going to extract particular information out of it. And we will explore more on the basic LLM chain and AI agent in the coming videos. Thank you. More in the next. Subscribe.